So I'm gonna put these on so I can get up in there. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Kay with MK Motor Riders, and today we are going to install a flat license plate holder on my 2022 Lowrider ST. So I know the last video we did an install for a luggage rack, but I made the decision to invest in a tour pack with Advent Black, which is coming this week. It's like Christmas. So that'll be coming in, and in order to prepare for that install, I have to put a flat license plate holder because the current stock is going to actually hit the luggage rack, or the luggage holder, or the tour pack holder. So I have to make some changes. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that today. So we're going to talk about the parts that we are going to be using. I purchased a curved license plate holder from Amazon. We're going to put a link to that on our video. We're also going to need blue Loctite. We're going to need a 7/16 socket. We're going to need a 10mm socket wrench, a 4mm Allen key, and a 5mm Allen key. I'm also going to put some gloves on because it's kind of dirty underneath my bike and I don't want to mess up my manicure. So I'm going to put these on so I can get up in there. First thing we're going to do is remove the original bolts that are here. There are 3 bolts and 3 washers I'm going to have to remove. First, I'm going to use my 7/16 socket to remove them. So I'm going to get up in there. I'm tightening it. Just be real careful when removing it so you don't have anybody with you. You don't want this thing coming off your bike and denting your paint. So do a quick cleanup over here, and then we will do the install of the flat license plate. Next step is going to be putting the license plate holder onto the bike. This is the piece that will sit on the bike itself, except there's this rubber piece that's going to attach onto the bike first. You'll put this down, and then the license plate holder will be like so. And we are going to use these screws with the washers. There's 3 washers. This one you're going to be able to use your 5mm Allen key for this. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of blue Loctite on the screws before we start our install. You don't need much. A little dab will do ya. Make sure it's on the threads. I want to do this first before you get up underneath the bike. It's probably a lot easier putting blue Loctite on now versus later. So, I'm going to take my rubber piece, which then fits to the back of this license plate holder. I'm going to go over to the bike. I'm going to put one in first, the top, like that. Feel my way. It's a tricky one.
Yeah, just get them all hand started.
I can't grab it.
That's what she said.
Ha ha.
You got it the right way?
This way, right?
Nope.
The other way?
Yep.
That's why. Okay. I guess for us beginners, I was putting it at this way. It actually should be this way. Lesson learned. Ah, there you go. It's like it stops right at that point. Probably need to tighten it more, but
Don't forget you got that rubber gasket in there too, so
how tight do I need these to be?
just when it's firm I think should be fine.
You want to test the firmness
Or the tightness.
or the tightness? Want to test it? Test my tightness. I was so excited that I couldn't wait. Now my plate is stuck, but it's okay, because what you now have to do is, since your license plate is straight, you gotta put it into the curve here. So push it in and flatten it out so it's all ready to go. I'm just going to put one bolt in first to help me get this plate down, and then I'll work on the other three. So you're going to use the 4 screws that come with, and then you're going to use your 4mm Allen key to tighten them up. Fail.
Just get started.
Just enough. Hold on a second. All right, so we finished the install of the curved flat license plate holder. If you have any questions or comments, please leave below. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. Ride safe.